Hi, this is Richard Hart from psicompany.com. If you have questions or you'd like a quotation from the product video you just watched, please feel free to give us a call here at psicompany.com. Our telephone number is 1-800-826-2907. Thank you very much for watching.